Completely permeable and easy to manufacture, resin-bound surfacing is an innovative road technology that's perfect for mitigating floodwater and river pollution. Unbelievable! These guys are practically printing cobblestones right before our eyes. Brilliant! Does anyone have a stopwatch? I think we're looking at a speed record here. The creative touch of this master craftsman makes laying granite floors look like fun, not hard labor. All credit to the painter's exceptional vision and skill for this house's incredible makeover. Find me another person who does their job so carefully. With a sharp mind and a forklift, an otherwise difficult job becomes a breeze. The perfectionist in me is overjoyed at how perfectly these walls are painted. I was so worried that the tiles were going to crack as I watched this, but thanks to professionals like this, it'll never happen. Using some epoxy resin and some serious skills, this team transforms a floor into a work of art. You know what's crazy? Here's a super easy way to lay tiles perfectly that no one but this man has thought of. Professional stilt walkers seem like they're standing still compared to this woman's skills. To get the job done perfectly, this builder simply turns off gravity. Can't find the right tiles for your kitchen? No problem. All you need is a stencil, plus a little imagination, and voila! The word impossible isn't even in this worker's vocabulary. Some ingenious workers created a 3D crosswalk that tricks drivers into slowing down. Don't forget to click the like button in appreciation of their genius. Check this out. Strong builders only work with powerful hammers. Only in the hands of a master can mortar application look so mesmerizing. Those flawless seams will keep you hooked for hours. Unbelievable! This team creates one of the craziest staircases that descends and transforms the space into a pool. Look at the unbelievable size of this project. The people working here are real heroes. The geniuses who create flawless road markings through sheer ingenuity truly deserve our admiration. I'm speechless. This guy fixes stairs with liquid plastic just like icing on a cake. Here's a question for the daredevils working with this fiery beauty. Did you forge Thor's hammer? No one can dismantle a building's supports as quickly as this virtuoso. Rest assured, you're looking at a true pro. Before watching this video, you probably didn't realize how visually appealing staircase building could be. Did you? The careful preparation done by this team makes assembling stairs as effortless as building with Lego. Is roof insulation supposed to look this yummy? Or am I just hungry? Check out this duo who remain steady and focus to turn cement delivery into a breeze. These workers' tile laying experience is second to none. This worker is convinced that an air compressor is the best way to carefully remove linoleum. When it comes to painting large warehouse areas, this worker's got it in the bag. The smoothness of this team's work is mind-blowing. Installing an air conditioner requires nerves of steel, and these determined pros have them. We've got the home insulation boss right here. I am in awe at the way this guy is able to make a perfect cut with a hammer and wrench. This guy's having a foam party on the clock. Looks impressive. Not only has this team delivered a stunning visual, they've also provided the owners with some poolside serenity. This is how resourceful workers transport bricks. The way this guy meticulously places concrete is the most gratifying ASMR experience ever. Get ready for a total apartment makeover when this woman's creative vision takes over. It's completely unrecognizable. I don't know how much these people get paid, but I bet it's not enough. Who else here is afraid of heights? Using a huge corrector for quick grouting was brilliant. A fear of heights is nothing compared to the feeling of euphoria after a job well done. Observing the curvature of this plasterwork is pure delight. The only thing straighter than this seam is a 180-degree angle. Immerse yourself in the world of construction, where the seemingly crude can turn out to be truly mesmerizing. Watch this worker's skill and focus as he creates a flawless concrete surface. Not even a professional card dealer can lay out cards, as well as this man lays tile. Watching this guy will have you using discs in the most original way. Work is never boring when you're clever and have an energetic partner. Get ready. This ability is going to blow you away. There's no such thing as a tough spot for an expert. This man can even paint with just his foot. Take a look at the stairway wizard we have today. Isn't that simply amazing? Here is the master of floor restoration in action. Some people need a helping hand, others, a helping bucket. Total mastery of every tool has allowed this worker to restore curves to perfection. Behold, the master of making holes vanish. This man is here to assure you that any carpet will fit perfectly. This guy has a rich imagination and a great tractor. Give a good painter a spatula and watch real marble appear in your house. Awesome! This clever trick is going on your never forget list, trust me. Specialists who work with epoxy resin can hypnotize me as effectively as a professional hypnologist. When you've got pros on the job, they can pull off something like this with ease. This guy has the artist's touch because he turns construction into pure art. Like the video if you want one of those sons too. Don't tell this driver that anything is too extreme. He'll only take it as a challenge. While maneuvering this beast all on his own, this guy is digging a tunnel to the future. Geniuses always find a way out, even when it looks hopeless. Behold the mesh magic of builders giving rise to the most original wall ever. The real king of the excavator must descend like true royalty. Don't blink, or you might miss the coolest roofing technique ever. This dude needs to patent this ultra-fast house painting technique. Pure satisfaction at its finest. You don't need fancy tools to perfect a concrete finishing. Just use the items at hand in a clever way. Not even the Flash can compete with this speed. Here's a clever trick for cutting the tile perfectly on the first shot. Some well-coordinated work and a high degree of professionalism all add up to fantastic results. These workers' speedy cement delivery knows no bounds. Why bother with geometry and calculations when you could build your own elliptical cutting router? Even sanding a ceiling can be fun. You just have to be creative. As a result of this lumberjack's ingenuity, we now have safe hillside steps. Powerful work is always inspiring. Imagine the audacity it takes to cut the very supports that are holding you up. Before you is a real professional. Only the nimblest of fingers can make such incredible walls. Asphalt perfection coming to your street soon. The technology of the future is just around the corner. I mean, flying tractors already exist. Take a moment to admire this satisfying work. And this worker nails the finishing touch perfectly on the first try. This guy was able to put his heart into construction while living out his circus dreams. I just have one question. Why hasn't this invention been nominated for a Nobel Prize? The synchronized work of this crew makes the world's most flawless zebra crossing. They say Jesus turned water into wine, and this guy turned an ordinary garage into a stone palace. This cool life hack for making a curved basket using a DIY mold is exciting. These workers are a testament to the importance of understanding geometry. Look at the confidence of the driver, calmly moving that huge building like a pro. Watch how skillfully this cuts off all the loose ends. Look at how perfectly this guy measures and matches bricks for a threshold without a single crack. Great teamwork can easily turn a challenge into a victory. We really should be giving out an award for the most impressive balancing act. These people don't use irons at home because they're just so good with putty knives. You have to admit, very few people possess the masterful skill to operate construction machinery. It's absolutely amazing how this guy crafts a perfect door opening in a massive log cabin. I'm truly in awe. Here's a masterclass from the pros on how to simplify your work by improvising. A true expert can smooth out cement while armed with nothing but a ladder. Get ready, because a piece of block is about to turn into the smoothest surface in the world. Excellent. This guy's ingenuity is worth more than a dozen strong men. The driver was given 5 minutes to finish the task. He did it in 5 seconds. Do you think this guy was a samurai in another life? See, this guy has some serious fire show skills, and his work with scorching resin will make this road last a lifetime. If someone happened to be frosting a cake nearby, this road would turn out smoother than the icing itself. This team has a rule: whoever has the biggest roller is the leader. One precise strike from a master craftsman, and you've got some trendy kitchen tile. This guy is used to working exclusively on double power. Lightning-fast pipe insulation. How do you like that, Elon Musk? This guy proves that a beautiful roof facade can be made even without special materials. Size doesn't matter when the experts are on the job. Durabar, a lightweight polymer alternative to rebar, increases the strength of concrete structures at only 1/3 of the installation labor.